Today we have a technician here to walk the site. He will use WiseEyes to place icons on the floor plan, leave notes, take pictures, and save audio. The technician places a camera icon, changes the field of view, rotates the direction, and increases the depth of coverage. He adds a Cat6 cable to the plan. He then takes a photo of where the camera will be installed and leaves an audio recording. He will submit his changes and document an existing camera's location. After taking a picture of where it exists, he fills in the customizable text fields. You can set what data is recorded. You have the option to change the icon size. Lastly, he adjusts the field of view of the existing camera. We have icons for all business sectors and are adding them frequently. Get your free trial today.